Resilience engineered, the strategic component for U.S. mobility and medical fleets, from Nedong Tire. Behind every solution lies industrial scale and precision manufacturing. We bring proprietary patents, automated capacity, rapid prototyping, and full international certifications. In 2026, labor costs redefine tire economics. Our focus is on total cost of ownership. Our bio-inspired design absorbs shock vertically and stays stable laterally, perfect for sensitive electronics. We replace rubber with recyclable TPE. It's weatherproof, dynamically balanced, and 100% recyclable. Tire failures shouldn't cannibalize your fleet. That's the problem we solve. Our tires offer 3 times the lifespan. Double elastic structure prevents rim slip and boosts uptime. Heavy cargo and high speeds lead to pinch flats. Not with our solution. The Kaija Armor series eliminates punctures with a 50mm defensive layer. Tire blowouts can lead to liability. We eliminate that risk entirely. Our Medical Fit series is non-marking, odor-free, and FDA-aligned. Precision, performance, protection. Custom damping tires act as secondary suspension, reducing chassis noise. From scooters to robots, our product line covers every application. Compliance is built in: REACH, RoHS, Prop 65, ISO 13485, and FDA ready. Air is free, fixing it isn't. Prototypes in 15 days. Your custom solution starts here, with us. Ready to recalculate your ROI? Let's audit your tire expenses together. Contact Nedong Tire.